Good morning one and all. Today I am going to teach a problem on fast convolution by overlap save method. Okay. So the question is perform fast convolution using overlap save method. X of n is equal to 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 3, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 1 and h of n is equal to 1, 2. Here also the length of the sequence is larger than the impulse response. So we have, for our calculation, we have to take subsets from x of n and we have to calculate. At last you have to calculate for the whole value. So now first we know that m is equal to 2. That is length of the sequence, impulse response sequence is 2. So we are assuming L is equal to 4. So we know the equation m plus n minus 1 is equal to L and n is equal to 4 plus 1 minus 2, that is m value is 2 and L value is 4. Substituting these values we get n is equal to 3. So for padding impulse response sequence we need n minus n 1 value. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 0 should be padded in impulse response. But in x of an input sequence, we need to pad by m minus 1 digits values, not 0. The first x element, that is the first set x1 of n should only contain 0. Others all should contain m minus 1 digit. First set only contains 0. See here x1 of n we have to take 3 elements, that is n is equal to 3. So we have to take only 3 elements from the set x of n. So first set should be 0. For first set only this first element is 0. So 0, 1, 2, minus 1. For the second set x2 of n, this m minus digit should be written first. That is the previous value should be written first. For second set, the previous value should be written first. The previous value is minus 1. That is x1 of n, last set value is minus 1. That should be the first value of the next set x2 of n. So x2 of n is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, minus 2. Therefore x3 of n is equal to this value should be again written in x3 of n as first value. So that is m minus 1 digit. So minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, 1. Similarly, this value should be written as first value in the set x4 of n. So 1, 2, minus 1. Okay. So next this value should be again repeated in the next set. So we are writing minus 1, other 3 values should be padded. So 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now do you understand how to take the subset? Next we have to simply multiply this subset with the impulse response sequence by ordinary matrix calculation method. So first y1 of n is equal to x1 of n in star h of n. So that is equal to, we have to put that same matrix method, put first column from first row 0, 1, 2, minus 1. Then fill the second column from second row 0, 1, 2, minus 1. Then fill the third row from the third column from the third row 0, 1, 2, minus 1. Then fill the fourth column from the fourth row 0, 1, 2, minus 1. Then impulse response sequence 1, 2, 0, 0. You multiply these two matrix by ordinary matrix multiplication and you will get the answer minus 2, 1, 4, 3. Similarly, you do for y2 of n also. Similarly, fill the m cross n matrix and multiply by h of n sequence and you will get the value minus 5, 0, 7, 4. Similarly, you do for y3 of n. So y3 of n is equal to x3 of star n star h of n. So you do ordinary matrix multiplication. You fill the matrix and do ordinary multiplication and you will get the values 0, minus 7, minus 7, minus 1. Similarly, for y4 of n, that is x4 of n star h of n, you fill the matrix and do ordinary multiplication, you will get the value minus 1, 3 comma 4 comma 3. Now we can do for y5 of n. So now we can do for y5 of n. y5 of n is equal to y5 of n is equal to x5 of n star h of n. So x5 of n is you have first fill the first column, so -1 0 0 0, second column -1 0 0 0, third column -1 0 0 0, fourth column -1 0 0 0, and impulse response h2 of n, so 1 2 0 0. Okay, now you can multiply by ordinary matrix method. So -1 into 1 is -1, then 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, and 0 into 0 is 0. Next 0 into 1 is 0, -1 into 2 is -2. So -2 into 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0. Similarly, third row, so 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 2 is 0, 0 into -1 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0. So you will get here 0. So here also 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, -1 into 0 is 0. So the answer is -1, -2, 0, 0. Now we can do by our overlap save method. You can write all the answers like in overlap add method. You have to write all the answers. Here the m-1 digit will be discarded. In overlap add method, that all the m-1 digits was, that is all the values were added. Here the m-1 digits will be discarded. So our first answer is, you can start from here, -2, -2, 1, -2, 1, 4, 3. This is our first answer. Next answer is -5, 0, 7, 4. Next answer is 0, -7, -7, -1. Our next answer is -1, 3, 4, 3. Our next answer is -1, -2, 0, 0. Now these digits must be discarded. Okay, this m-1 digits must be discarded. In every term, every answer, this m-1 digits must be discarded. Discarded means we have to leave that value. So here first value will be discarded, so leave that value. So you will get 1, 4. Here also first value will be discarded, so leave that value, will get 1, 4, 3. Next value 0, 7. Here also this 0 value will be discarded, so leave that value. So 4. Next -7. -7. Here also this value will be discarded, so -1. Here also 3, 4. This value will be discarded, so 3, -2. This 0, 0, that is can be discarded. Okay. Now you can write the answer as y of n is equal to 1, 4, 3, 0, 7, 4, -7, -7, -1, -3, 4, 3, -2. So we have found the answer for the convolution of the sequence x of n and h of n by using overlap save method. That's all. Thank you.